guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. This time is a little bit different. I'm not going out to a restaurant. The restaurant will come to me. This is directly sent from Mooshies in London. It's called a at-home burger kit. So let's have a look and see what's in the box. So here we have all the contents of what's in the box from Mooshies. What's your beef burger at-home range? We've got some black bean patties, some buns, some cheese, loads of sauces, and some fries. Also got some instructions on how to cook, which I definitely need. A little thank you message from Mooshies, but most importantly, a Spotify playlist. So I can scan this on my Spotify and the tunes will come directly to the phone while I'm making my food. Doesn't get much better than this. Now let's see what's in the box. So we've got some shredded lettuce. I know what lettuce, I do know what vegetables are. We've got some lovely coconut cheese. 2 brioche buns. I'll definitely say brioche buns are the favourites right now. Lovely and soft. Even got some little seeds on the top there. Some gherkins or pickles. Well, these look good. 2 quinoa and black bean patties. And we've got some caramelized onions and some burger sauce. Guys, I'm gonna get this stuff cooking. Catch you guys in a second. Guys, I'm halfway through. Got all the condiments ready. I've got the caramelized onion, the gherkins, the lettuce, the cheese. Let's have a look at these burgers quickly. Make sure they're not burning. Oh my god, the smell, the aromas. Yeah, a couple more minutes and they'll be ready. Gonna cut up these brioche buns here. Gonna dash these in the grill. Couple minutes each side. Yeah, it says use a toaster. We ain't got a toaster. Grill will do. This is smelling great, man. So glad these guys sent this to me. Perfect food on a Sunday. Gonna get them in the grill. Lovely. Guys, see you back in 2 seconds with a finished product. So the buns are out of the oven. Got the 2 patties there. Gonna slap some cheese. It says to flip the cheese. Oh, yeah, facing on the pan. I'm scared to do that though. Let me read this again, one sec. Once the patties have been cooked, add the cheese slice and flip down so the cheese is touching the pan. 15 seconds. Woo! Mooshies are putting my cookery skills to the test right now. Let's see how this works out. I might do one at a time. Yeah, I want to do one at a time. These patties are ready. Oh, this cheese smells banging. So now I've got to flip this. Woo! I'm shaking. Let's go. There we go. Let that melt. 15 seconds. 5, 8, 10. It's working, it's working. Hey guys, you're gonna catch me on Ready Steady Cook soon, you know. Call me Ainsley in the kitchen. Oh wow, look at that. Very nice smell to it. Yeah, that's perfectly melted, do you think? What do you reckon? What do you guys reckon?
Yeah.
Can load that onto there. Right, come over here guys, I want to get all of this in, man. Burger number 1.
Hot.
Right, let's put a bit of caramelized onion in there. Couple of gherkins. If you don't like gherkins, guys, there's something wrong with you. Everyone should love gherkins. I see them guys at McDonald's picking the gherkins out. I see you.
You don't go to McDonald's.
But I used to see them guys there. Right. Got some burger sauce. Oh, actually,
Spread that on the bun.
get that on there. Hey, everything is in there. Look at this, guys, man. Homemade Mooshies. Jeez! Guys, we're finished. The Mooshies burger is complete. Just have to say out there, I did forget the chips. So there was supposed to be, there's 2 portions of chips. There's 2 portions of chips. I forgot to bring them. And so yeah, I'm left with just the burger. But very excited to eat this burger. So presentation wise, obviously I cooked this, so the presentation is 10 out of 10. The bun is perfectly crisp. Look at that. A little hot spot there. Let's have a look inside. Gherkins, burger sauce, lettuce, caramelized onion. The patty's kind of cooked to perfection. Right, so taste test. Let's get into this, guys. Mmm. 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 Wow. Oh, the seasonings in the patty is so good. Mmm. The bun is so nice and crunchy on the outside. You can taste the quinoa, but the seasonings just bring this together so nicely. Wow. I'm actually impressed. I don't know if to give the credit to Mooshies for sending the package to me, or me for actually cooking it this well. Although I did get the instructions there, but wow, this tastes amazing, guys. The gherkins in there, always winning. Nice kind of smoky, coconutty cheese. Nice crunch from the lettuce and the seeds on top. I'm convinced, after making this burger, I'm definitely going to head down to Shoreditch and check out Mooshies. I'm going to have to give my cooking 5 fist bumps out of 5. Sorry guys, I know I'm biased, but it does taste really good. Mooshies, thanks for sending me this food. Guys, thanks for watching. If you're still here, make sure you like, share and subscribe. I'll see you again soon. Peace.